Hello, good afternoon everyone. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I have an update concerning the EiFi token that we have been claiming since it has been on airdrop. All right. So guys, in today's video, I'm just gonna show you guys how to do the right thing in order for you to set your wallet for withdrawal in few days time, because today is 29 July and the withdrawal will start from August. So guys, in today's video I just want to walk you guys through on how to go to visit your dashboard and at the same time set up your wallet, your EiFi wallet for withdrawal. So guys, let's get started. And if you're just joining this YouTube channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and please do well to turn on the bell notification icon, okay, to get notified of when next I drop awesome videos like this. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna have to log in first. I'm gonna log in here. Okay, I'm gonna log in, and then after that I will navigate to my profile. From my profile, then I can now add my EiFi wallet address and wait for August when I will withdraw and then sell at the rate of $300 per token or $500 per token before that time. So guys, let's continue. So I've logged in now. The very first step is for you to copy this address you can see in my address bar, eifi.com/airdrop/dashboard. So this is my dashboard on the airdrop. This is my airdrop dashboard here, and as you all can see here, what I have is 15.60 tokens of EiFi for the airdrop. Then I've referred, and 21 people have verified their account so far under me here. And another thing you guys should know is this: the contract address can always be found on the Binance Explorer. Okay, so when you click on this logo I circled for you here, it takes you to Binance Explorer. Okay, when you get to the Binance Explorer, copy the contract address. I will also leave the contract address in the comment section below. Okay, you can find the contract address in the comment section below. Find the name, which is EiFi Finance, and then the symbol EiFi. Okay, so guys, let's continue. Now that I've this is my dashboard for the airdrop, so the next thing I need to do now is to visit my profile. And to visit my profile, I need to open a new tab. Okay, open a new tab on my browser here and paste the address. So the address is also in the description below. Okay guys, the address is in the description below also. Let me paste the address here and go to my profile. Watch my steps closely and don't forget to ask your questions in the comment section below. Okay, I am always ready to respond to your questions. So let's wait for my profile to load up here. Okay, alright, so here is my profile dashboard. So what I need to do now is to go to my Tust Wallet and copy out my Trust, that's the EiFi wallet address for my Tust Wallet. So let me just navigate to my Tust Wallet. Okay, this is my Tust Wallet here. I've already activated it previously, okay, with the contract address. So I'm just gonna scroll down to EiFi. This is it here. So I'm just gonna click the copy here after activating. Okay, this is it. I'm just gonna click copy. Okay, in this video guys, I'm gonna show you guys again how to add a custom address to your Tust Wallet. So let's just continue. So let me paste it here for withdrawal. Paste. This is the box below. Once you tap the wallet, this pops up here. As you guys can see here, I've already pasted it. Okay, so the next thing for me to do is click on update. Click the update button. Okay, OTP sent on your email. OTP has been sent to my email. So I'm just gonna go to my email, copy out the OTP and enter it below here. So let's go to my email. Let's go to my email and copy out the OTP sent to me. Okay, this is it here. It has arrived. Alright, the one-time OTP. So guys, I've copied the OTP. So I'm just gonna paste the OTP here. Paste the OTP here, then click submit. Alright, wallet address updated successfully. So guys, I'm ready to make my withdrawal once we get to the month of August. Okay, so guys, let me now go back and teach you people how you can add a custom token to your Tust Wallet. I've done that before and the video is here on my channel, but let me do that once again here for those who might be finding it difficult to activate the custom token on their Tust Wallet. So let me just go back to the airdrop dashboard. Where is the airdrop dashboard? Okay, this is the airdrop dashboard here. This is the airdrop dashboard. So let me just walk you guys through on how to copy the contract address from the Explorer. So just scroll down. Look at this here. I've shown you guys before. This very one here. This one you can see here. So just tap on it. It opens up on the Binance scan.com to bring out the contract address for you. Okay. So I'm going to teach you how you can actually copy the contract address and activate a custom token on your Tust Wallet. Alright guys, the website is still trying to open up. Okay, so we are here now. Okay, as you can see on the screen, the very first thing you can see here is contract. So this is the contract address here. The very first thing that appears here. This is the contract address. So this is what you're gonna copy. Okay, and to do that guys, this is what you need to do. Look at this icon here. The very first icon down here. Look at this very one here. This very small icon. So just click on it to copy. Or you can click and highlight. Click and hold to highlight and click copy. Then now go to your Tust Wallet. This is my Tust Wallet here. Okay. So I'm just gonna tap the settings here. I've shown you guys before how to activate or how to enable or how to add a custom token before. That's what I'm doing again now, so you don't get lost. Okay, so just tap the settings here. This is the settings icon down here on the bottom here of your screen. This is the settings icon. So just tap on the settings icon. Okay, then choose the wallet where you want to activate it. But for me, I'm activating it on this very wallet where I'm active on. So I'm just going to go back to wallet, then click the icon up here. This is the icon up here. This very icon, tap on it, then paste here, or I can scroll down, but I love pasting here. So when I paste it, okay, as you all can see now, it's automatic. It's now automatic on the Tust Wallet. So I'm just going to tap this button beside here to enable it. Okay, tap to enable. All right, so this is it. Okay, so if you are confused at any point or at any step, please use the comment section below to ask your questions. I'm always ready. Trust me guys, I'm always ready to respond. Okay, please make sure to we still have few days to go. I think we still have 2 days here. On the 31st is the last day for the airdrop. We still have 2 days to go from today. Please, you can still refer some people, and if those people can still get enough referrals under them, they will still participate and get their own airdrop token also. So guys, do this and wait for withdrawal, which will take place from the 1st of August. Okay, not really the 1st of August. Let me just say from this very month of August we're about to step into. So guys, do this and let me know in the comment section if you successfully activated yours. So guys,